of the video. Okay? So, number 3 naman tayo. X squared equals to 12 times y plus 3. Ayan na. So, ito yung mga hahanapin natin para di magulo. Vertex, focus, endpoints of LR, AOS or axis of symmetry, directrix, and yung graph. Okay. Okay, back ulit. So, ito na yung equation natin. X squared is equals to 12 times y plus 3. First, hanapin muna natin yung focus. Ano ba yung value ng focus natin? Ito yung equation, 4p over 4 is equals to 12. Ayan o, 12. Ayan, dito yan. Okay. Palaging dito yan, wag sa x squared. Palaging dito yan. Over 4. Pag negative, then negative. Okay. So, p is equals to 3. Ayan na, 3. Hanapin naman natin yung vertex. Vertex naman. So, x squared to means yung x natin is 0. Pero yung y, ito na. Unfortunately, hindi na ganito yung mag-work na ginagawa natin dati. Y plus 3 na. Pero madali lang naman yan. So, additive inverse, okay? Pag nakakita kayo ng ganito, pwede rin dito, pag nakakita kayo ng ganito, yung susunod na term, since binomial to, yung additive inverse, sabihin, babalik na rin mo yung sign niya. So, pag ito, negative, magiging positive to kasi nga additive inverse. Since positive to, magiging negative to. Negative 3. Ayan. Negative 3. Ayan. Check na tong vertex. Yan yung vertex. Oh. Check na yan. 0, negative 3. Focus naman. Before the focus, hanapin natin yung value ng LR. LR. Ito na yung LR, guys. Absolute value of 4P. Ito yung value ng P natin. 3. Okay? LR is equals to absolute value of 4 times 3. 12. Absolute value of 12 is 12. So, LR. Na. So, ito yung LR natin, divide lang natin into 2 parts. So, 12 divided by 2 is 6. So, 6, up or down, left or right. 6 lang yun, okay? Depende. Since nahanap na natin yung mga value, mag-graph na tayo para mahanap natin yung mga coordinates. Okay. So, may focus na tayo, may LR na tayo na value. Hanapin na natin yung focus. May vertex na tayo. 0, negative 3. Ayan. Sa y. 1, 2, 3. Ayan. 0, negative 3. Dito na tayo. Dito, vertex natin. Center. Okay. So, focus. Ano ba yung value ng focus natin? Yung value ng focus natin is 3. Okay, 3. So, 3 means 3 plus 3 ay 3 minus 3 is 0. Yan, 0. Kailangan pa din natin gamitin yung operation ng integers, okay? Kahit anong mangyari, we need to do the integers. Yan. Since positive yon, negative 2, plus natin, then we're going to have 0, 0. Ito yung focus natin. Focus. So, if you're wondering kung bakit pataas tayo, hindi sa x, kasi nga, y dito. Y. And x to. Okay? X to. Kagaya na nga sa standard form natin kanina. Ganito. Okay? Ayan. X squared. Yan. Okay?
Si Toto, ilang araw na may sakit, pabalik-balik pa. Immunity gap na yun. Immunity
Ngayon,
gap.
since nahanap na natin yung foci natin, ay yung focus pala, sorry. Apply na natin yung latus rectum. 6 dito, 6 dito. Okay? Since Y yung nahanap na natin sa foci, balik rin natin. Since Y, yun nandito, then X, sabi ko kanina, latus rectum, kabaliktaran, Y to, then X yung latus rectum natin. Pag Y naman dito, Y squared, then X yung latus rectum, okay? Ganun lang yun. Okay. So, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ayan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ayan. Okay? Yun yung latus rectum natin. Okay, so meron na tayo nito. Graph na natin, okay?
Zombie sa umaga, kaya ko mag-magic. Magic sarap, all in one. Kaya ang luto
Ayan, so ayun na yung graph. Medyo pangit talaga eh. Ayan, pwede na yan.
Sa umaga.
So, yung coordinates natin sa endpoints of LR are
Feel aircon cool.
negative 6, 0, and 6, 0. Ayan na.
Germs off.
Dito yan ah. Dito yan. Okay. Next, yung AOS, yung axis of symmetry. Yung axis of symmetry naman, since x squared to, since x squared to, ito, x squared, then, yung AOS natin is x. X equals to h. Ano yung x natin? Yung x natin is dito sa vertex is 0. So, 0. X is equals to 0. Ayan. So, yan na. X is equals to 0. Then, yung directrix naman, since nasa y tayo, focus, yung focus natin is ito, 3. So, negative 3 naman. Negative 3. Since 3 to, negative 3. Baba. Baba pa. So, negative 3 to, tapos negative 3, edi negative 6. So, opposite lang ng focus. Okay? Ayan ang directrix natin. Directrix is equals to y. Negative 6. Ayan na. Directrix. Y is equals to negative 6. Yun yung graph. So, complete na tayo. Ayan na. Complete na tayo. Okay, sunod naman. Part 4.